everyone! Today I am in my basement, the room under my house, and today I want to show you some of the tools that my family has for DIY. Do it yourself. So if you DIY, you fix things that are broken in your house, or you change things in your house. And you do it yourself. You don't pay someone to do it. So my family has lived in this house for 25 years. So every time we need to fix something, we get our tools from down here. All right. What is this? Yeah, it's a saw. This one is a hand saw, but we also have this one. This is a kind of power saw. This is a circular saw because the blade is a circle. Circular saw. We also have a lot of paint. So you can see every time we paint a room in the house, the extra paint we keep down here. This is spray paint. Spray paint. Also for painting, we have a paint brush. These are paint rollers. This is a paint roller, and you can use a paint tray with your paint rollers. Also important when painting, we have some tape. We also have some glue. We have different kinds of, this is wood glue. This one is another important tool. What's this? It's a measuring tape. And I have this tool for making flat, straight lines. This is a level. Okay, and down here we have two toolboxes. This gray toolbox and this red toolbox. And they're a little messy, just like our shelf, but there are lots of important tools in them. So first, we have, what's this? A hammer. And what tool do we use with hammers? Nails. So you use a hammer and a nail. We also have many these. What's this? This is a screwdriver. And what tool do you use with a screwdriver? With a screwdriver, you use these screws. These are wrenches. You can use either end. Wrenches. What's this? We have many of these for when they break in our house. This is a light bulb. And finally, we have one of these. If you watched the Mr. Bean video, you'll remember this one. This is a drill. Okay, everyone, I hope you liked the video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!